So we are officially in Tazewell, Virginia, zip code 24651. Welcome to Tazewell, Virginia. Founded in 1800, originally as Jeffersonville, probably in honor of Thomas Jefferson, and became Tazewell in 1892, and has been Tazewell ever since. It's the county seat to Tazewell County. Has a population of about, what's that number? Dang, I lost it. 4,500 people roughly. Tazewell is near the headwaters of the Clinch River, and you've heard of the Clinch River before, and you're going to hear of it a few more times. Clinch River's flooding is what destroyed Clinchport, and I'll put a link to the video here. There is the bank of Clinch Valley. And over here we got the Tazewell County Courthouse. Bank building is now clothing, pallet, and more. As I understand this is upstairs is Travelers. It's like a hotel or something like that. And downstairs is a consignment shop between friends. And then you got a little barber shop too there. So another interesting fact about Tazewell here is they used to have a streetcar, and I believe it was a streetcar, not streetcars, a streetcar. And the U-turn for this town was basically as the coal fields died up in Pocahontas in that area. That pretty much killed the economy. And as we understand it, this is the newest establishment in Tazewell. Wayfarer restaurant, bar, and live music. They say they're open, but they don't look open. Nobody's there, so we're gonna go someplace else. Well, if you misbehave in Tazewell, you end up in this lovely building. This is the Tazewell County Jail. As there was, we couldn't figure it out if it's still active or not. But I see lights on inside, so I'm gonna say it is. Ain't no small town in Virginia is gonna be without its Masonic building, Masonic Hall. Well, we had lunch at the Happy Goat. Great French dip sandwich. My wife loved her ham and cheese. It's a pretty good place. Stop in and try it if you're in town. Looks like a little outside stage for performances and such in the town during probably Main Street Moments, which is next weekend as I understand it. All the legal offices are in town, close to the court. Courthouse just about half a block behind me. Get that. Some buildings dating back to 1889. And like I said, the town dates back to, I saw one thing that said 1799 and I saw the other things that said 1800. What is it? I don't know. I can't find a definitive thing, so we'll say about 1800.